Good morning, guys. Back at Coronet Peak again. It's a beautiful day. Had a little bit of fresh snow overnight, it's pretty nice. And it caused the roads to be pretty slippery. On the way up, we were behind this pickup truck. Like, all its wheels are straight and just going completely sideways towards the edge. Managed to stop just in time. And we're up here to ski some GS before it gets busy again.
Laying around the room, I don't mind a little mess. Just wanna stay with you, and we'll do anything that we want today. Won't be scared of falling down no more. So take me away to some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away. I ain't afraid, calling your name. Oh, my Indian summer.
I can't talk because it's really windy. They probably can, but I don't know. Wait for it to die down a bit. So it's about 9:15 now. The early bird fresh tracks pass is finished. A few reasons we do it. Obviously it's not as busy, there's less people up here, and before 9 o'clock they don't have the slow zones up, so we can go around a bit quicker because they're pretty strict on them. And now we're on the T-bar and the snow is a lot better over here. It's a better piste. So yeah.
Oh, my Indian summer, we are green under the sun. We do our best to hide innocence fading away as we learn the truth, and we'll be anything that we wanna be. Gonna get what's coming anyway.
Friday doesn't look good. Friday looks more windy, cloudy. Tomorrow looks like there's broken clouds, some sun in the morning, lower wind.
The borderline into our dream. Nothing will ever be as real as this. The flames won't burn our skin. We're thick as thieves, and we know what we do. We live on like an echo. Oh, so take me away to some other place.